Welcome to Switzerland, a land sculpted by nature, where every view is a living postcard. Imagine rolling green meadows, crisp mountain air, and villages nestled perfectly among towering peaks. The sound of cowbells and the sparkle of sunlit streams invite us to slow down and take it all in. Here, every detail feels lovingly arranged, as if you've stepped into a model world. Let's leave our worries behind and wander through this magical landscape, where nature's beauty is both real and dreamlike. The adventure begins now. Let's see what wonders await. Switzerland is ready to welcome us with open arms. Let's journey into the heart of the countryside, where time seems to slow down, and every breath feels fresher, every moment more meaningful. Here, green hills roll like gentle waves, stretching as far as the eye can see, their soft curves inviting you to wander and explore. Clusters of trees and wildflowers fill the air with the scent of summer, painting the meadows with bursts of color and life, while bees and butterflies dance from bloom to bloom. Wooden chalets, adorned with bright flowers, dot the landscape, each village cozier than the last, their windows glowing softly in the afternoon sun. Life here moves at a gentle pace. Neighbors chat over fences, sharing stories and laughter, and the church bell marks the hour, echoing across the fields. The quiet isn't empty. It's full of warmth and community, where every greeting is heartfelt and every smile genuine. As the sun sets, the hills glow gold, and lakes mirror the fiery sky, turning the world into a living painting that takes your breath away. It's a scene that fills your heart with peace, inviting you to pause, reflect, and simply be present in the moment. Here, every day ends with a sense of quiet joy, as the sky deepens and the first stars appear above the hills. The beauty of these hills is simple, honest, and unforgettable, leaving a lasting impression on all who visit. This is the Switzerland of daydreams, a place where nature and tranquility come together in perfect harmony. No Swiss countryside is complete without its iconic cows, grazing contentedly in high meadows, surrounded by breathtaking alpine scenery. Their bells create a cheerful symphony, echoing through the valleys, a sound that is both nostalgic and comforting. These cows provide the rich milk that becomes Switzerland's famous cheese, known and loved worldwide. Step inside a traditional dairy, copper cauldrons bubble, and the air is thick with the scent of cheese in the making, a process that has remained unchanged for centuries. Watching cheese crafted by hand is a tradition passed down for generations, a true testament to Swiss heritage. The farms themselves are rustic and charming, with woodpiles, goats, and chickens completing the scene, adding to the idyllic rural atmosphere. Life here is tied to the land and the animals, every day shaped by honest work and old customs, creating a rhythm that is both peaceful and fulfilling. There's a deep respect for nature and heritage, a bond that is evident in every aspect of daily life. This simple, harmonious way of life is the backbone of the Swiss countryside, where community and tradition go hand in hand. It's a world where every detail has meaning, and every task is done with care and pride. And the taste of fresh cheese? Unforgettable, a true delight that captures the essence of Swiss craftsmanship. Now, look up. The Swiss Alps rise like jagged giants, their snowy peaks sparkling in the sun. Whether you hike winding trails or glide up in a cable car, the journey is breathtaking. From above, villages shrink to toy sets and fields become patchwork quilts. At the summit, you're surrounded by rock, ice, and silence. A world transformed. Glaciers carve the valleys, and the air is crisp and pure. The Alps are both playground and sanctuary. Skiers, hikers, and climbers all find adventure here. The scale is humbling, the beauty overwhelming. Every visit is a reminder of nature's power and wonder. Whether you seek thrill or peace, the Alps deliver. This is Switzerland at its most majestic. Even in the shadow of the Alps, life follows a gentle, steady rhythm. Farmers lead cows to pasture at dawn, their bells a morning song. Children play in wildflower fields, learning the land's secrets as they grow. Swiss trains wind through mountains, offering views like moving paintings, waterfalls, chapels, and leaping chamois. As evening falls, families gather in warm, glowing homes, the day's work done. The mountains stand silent, their peaks painted pink by the setting sun. Stars appear, brilliant in the clear night sky. Here, daily life is shaped by nature's pace and beauty. It's a life of purpose, peace, and connection. This is the true heart of mountain living. There's a unique peace here. A stillness that settles deep in your soul, as if the world itself is pausing to breathe. In these moments, you feel the gentle embrace of nature, inviting you to let go of your worries and simply be present. Stand by a crystal clear lake, and the world feels perfectly balanced, reflected in the water's calm. The mirror-like surface captures every detail: the sky, the peaks, even your own quiet reflection, reminding you of the harmony that exists all around. Meadows hum with bees, and the breeze carries the scent of wildflowers. Each breath fills you with the freshness of alpine air, and the gentle sounds of nature create a soothing melody that calms your mind. In the Alps, surrounded by snow and silence, your worries shrink and perspective grows. The vastness of the mountains reminds you how small your troubles really are, and how much beauty there is to discover. The harmony of valleys, lakes, and mountains creates a world in balance. Here, every element fits together perfectly, offering a sense of unity and peace that's hard to find elsewhere. Nature's beauty here is a remedy for busy lives, a chance to recharge. As you rest, you feel your energy returning, your thoughts becoming clearer, and your heart growing lighter. Every detail, from a spider's web to a drifting cloud, invites you to slow down. These small wonders remind you to appreciate the present moment and notice the magic in the everyday. This landscape lifts your spirits and calms your mind. Surrounded by such beauty, you can't help but feel a deep sense of gratitude and joy. In Switzerland, serenity is everywhere. It's woven into the land, the air, and the gentle rhythm of life here. It's a feeling you'll want to carry home. A quiet reminder that peace is always within reach, wherever you are. As our journey ends, we take more than photos. We carry the memory of Switzerland's beauty in our hearts. These scenes of hills, villages, and mountains become a place of peace we can revisit anytime. Switzerland reminds us to slow down, connect with nature, and appreciate life's simple wonders. The landscape inspires hope, gratitude, and a sense of harmony. Here, nature is the main character, inviting us to join its gentle rhythm. The calm and beauty we've found is a true tonic for the soul. We leave with lighter spirits and fuller hearts. Switzerland's magic will stay with us long after the journey.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.